Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to upload a video on Google Drive and share link. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Google Drive is a simple and reliable way to share videos with a client, a friend, or anyone else. To get started, open any web browser on your computer and search for Google Drive. Then open drive.google.com and sign in to your Google account if needed. Once you're on the Drive homepage, go to the top left corner and click on the New button, then select File Upload. From here, locate the video file on your device, select it, and click Open. The upload will begin immediately, and you'll be able to see the progress in the bottom right corner of the screen. After the upload finishes, click on the video, and it will open like this. Now, to share the video, press the Share button in the top right corner. In the sharing settings, change General Access to Anyone with the link so that anyone you send the link to can view it. Finally, click Copy Link and send that link to whoever needs access. They'll be able to open, watch, and even download the video depending on the permissions you've allowed. And that's it. So that's basically how you can upload a video on Google Drive and share link. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.